Okay. Now, this question, this is very important question. Town B, that means this town is 45 kilometer due east of town A. Okay. Town C is on a bearing of 057 degree. So town C is on a bearing of 57 degree. That means this angle will be 57 degree from town A and a bearing of 341 degree from town B. So from B to C, that means always we know that bearing will be counted from the north side. So we will take this angle and this angle will be called 341 degree. Okay. So here bearing of 341 degree from town B. So we can say town C is on a bearing of 341 degree from town B. So we can draw in that way. So now the question says find how far town C is from town A and town B. That means C from A will be CA, C from B will be CB. So we need to find out this one. Here we know that northeast, if I draw this direction, we can say that by using the idea news, we can say northeast, it will be 90 degree. That means it must be 90 degree. Here, if this angle is 57, then we can say angle CAB will be 90 degree minus 57 degree. So it will be 33 degrees. So this measurement will be 33. Now, here we can easily say this whole part, that means if I draw by using another color, that one must be 270 degree. Okay, that means 3/4 of a circle. Then what will be the measurement of this one? We can write it will be CBA and that will be 341 degree minus 270 degree. Okay. So if we subtract 270 from 341, we will get 71 degree. So this measurement will be 71 degree. Then what will be the measurement of this one? Very simple. So ACB will be 180 degree minus 33 degree plus 71 degree. Why? We know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So by using this idea, we can easily solve. So 180 minus 3 plus 1, that will be 4, 7 plus 3, 10, 104 degree. So if we subtract 104 from 180, we will get 76 degree. So this measurement is 76 degree. Okay. Now we need to find out CA and CB. What is CA? This length. What is CB? This length. So how can we find it out? This is very simple. We can write in this way CA by sine 71. We can use sine formula to solve this one. It is better. Equal to this one, 45 and 76 degree. So we can write 45 by sine 76 degree. Then what will be the measurement of C? CA will be 45 multiplied by sine 71 degree divided by sine 76 degree. Okay. So if we solve this one, we can find out that CA will be 43.9 kilometer. Okay. And if I want to find out CB, that means this part, then we can use this sine formula. CB by opposite angle of CB will be 33. So CB by sine 30 degree equal to 45 by sine 76. So CB will be 45 multiplied by sine 33 degree by sine 76. Now solve and we will get the measurement of CB will be 25.3 kilometer. And that is the solution of this interesting O-level problem.